How to check tolls in Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Google Maps on a device. Then tap on profile at the top right corner. Then tap on settings. Now scroll down and find navigation. Then tap on it. Again scroll down. Now make sure to turn off the toggle for avoid toll roads. Now simply go back. Then tap on the search bar. Now search for the destination. Then tap on directions. Now choose the start location. Then select the location. Now wait for some time. Now simply swipe up. Now on the steps, you can find tools. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.